Hey everyone, Joe Biss, Director of Sales with Rise Building Products, here in Olathe, Kansas, on a Rise siding and trim installation. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our product. It's a new technology, and it's very different from any other of the lap sidings that are in the market. So Nick, you're the GC on this job, where we're putting up the new Rise siding. Rise is a little different in the fact that we offer a 20-foot length. So what are your thoughts on a 20-foot length? How workable is it?
I mean, what I've noticed is it's just a real durable product. You're not worried about it snapping on you when you're carrying these long lengths.
Typical job sites can be pretty rough, but you're finding that the product's holding up under rough job site conditions?
Yeah, no, it's super durable, holds nails really well. You know, if you got to take a hammer to it, it doesn't seem like it's splitting or cracking on you. It's not like an OSB product. It's just like I said, more durable.
No, it's cool. I don't know if you've tried it yet, but you can because of the fibrous makeup of the product, you could take a nail right to the edge and it doesn't split it out.
Right.
It's a cool deal. So, hey, I want to thank you for the hard work you've put on this job.
You bet.
And we're looking forward to seeing the final product.
Right on, man.
All right, thanks.